Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. Uh, Let us move to the first question. For how many of you, first question was easy? Let me know how many of you got correct in the first question. Raise your hands. Okay, only one person has replied. I would not get the numbers then. Okay, we won't be able to see whether it is right, whether it is really hard or easy until you would participate. Okay, so we need the numbers. For me, it was not easy, right? I got it wrong. I could reach to this and this statement. Okay, but in a hurry, I chose, I think so, 4 3 3 4. Okay, 3 4, this 3 4 and this 3 4. Between these two options, okay, I chose, I think so, this one. Yes, this one. Right, so it became wrong. Okay, why? Because I thought that this is adding something new, right? But let us see what it does. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5. I hope you could make the mandatory pairs. 3 and 4 are mandatory pairs. Everyone, let me know,
Yes, sir.
please. 3
Yes,
and
sir.
4 are mandatory pairs. I hope you all could do that. Now, these two options are there, right? We will read each and every one of them. 1 3 4 5 2. 1 3 4 5 2. I am not sure when I first became aware of the singularity, right? Gradually, I have become aware of the transforming event looming in the first half of the 20th century. Now, 3 looks as if it is the a starting sentence, right? Okay. Now he is saying that, okay, with the time I have become aware, but I do not know when was the first instance. That makes sense now. Okay. 4, I would have to say it was a progressive awakening. Now 3 and 4 were already in our loop. Okay. Just as black hole in space. Okay. He is saying that everything is, in this sentence, he is saying that everything is getting affected by this, right? So 3 4 5 we have in both the things, right? Now let us see how we can do 5 2 or do this one. Okay, let us check 5 2 first. Just as black hole in space dramatically alters the patterns of matter and energy accelerated towards its event horizon, this impending singularity of our future is increasingly transforming every institution aspect of life. So it is not doing anything, right? It is saying just as this is happening, right? Let us see. In all the almost half century that I have immersed myself, okay, I have sought to understand the meaning and purpose of the continual upheaval that I have witnessed at many levels. Okay, now let us see this one. 2 3 4 5. Okay, in the almost half century, okay, I have sought to understand the meaning and purpose of the continual upheaval that I have witnessed at many levels. Gradually, I have become aware of transforming event looming in the. Okay. Now, it seems that this process is taking us towards this gradually. How many of you noticed that? Let me know. How many of you thought that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is why I too checked this, and this question cannot be done right. Okay, it goes against whatever we have learned. I would take this question as a negative. Done. So we are at minus 0.25. But should we be, I mean, in a state of shock by seeing this question? No. Right. It means that they have given us a difficult paper. So we would be careful while choosing the question. Second one was really easy. I think all of you could do this. Everyone? Angshuk? Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, I haven't attempted the VA part, sir.
Okay. That is a mistake. So shall we do it tomorrow? Let me know. Mansi, have you done this? Vatsal has not done it. Angshuk has not done this. Mansi, have you done this?
Yes, sir, I have done it.
Okay, so if two people are ready, right, we would do this. Now, the only thing here is that in that year, mandatory pair has been made. Which year? The year 1953. Okay, our knowledge about life developed over centuries thanks to now out of this long history talks about this long history over centuries from a mixture of five gases, methane, and this is the experiment that they have talked about in the third one, right? Primordial universe soup when foundation have been expounded and whatever, right? Okay, famous experiment. This famous experiment is this one. So the answer becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope I'm right, Lavanya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this was an easy question. Now our confidence is back. How much are we scoring till now? 0.75. Okay. The fundamental laws govern the smallest constituents of matter and energy. This was also easy, right? This is talking about that fundamental laws govern smallest constituents of matter and energy when applied to the universe over long enough cosmic time scales. I hope you understood this properly. Done. Can explain everything that will ever emerge. Okay. Right. Read it once and let me know so that we would be able to understand this. Okay, Vatsal and Anshuk, I have given the time for you. Okay, choose your answer. Yes, Anshuk and Vatsal, reach the answer.
So first one.
So
Hmm.
first one,
Okay, you are absolutely correct. Done. Everyone correct here? Hello? Okay, they didn't see. You might have stuck in fourth and first one. Last two options, right? They didn't talk about spontaneity. They didn't talk about that there are certain laws, fundamental laws, which are operating over the universe and everywhere it can be seen. Can explain everything will ever emerge. That means it should explain atom too, right? Hello, everyone. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a copy of a GMAT question. Now you understand why we were doing the GMAT questions in our classes. Vatsal, करवाया
Yes,
था ना?
sir.
Which one would be the
So but
correct one?
मेरे ना कई सारी ये गलत हो जाते हैं जो वो आता है ना कि choose the
Practice.
options with incorrect grammar, correct grammar,
Practice नहीं की है
prepositions.
इसलिए. ठीक है.
अच्छा.
Should have done GMAT club उठाओ, right? Apply the laws that I have told you.
Okay,
Done?
sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
which
sir.
was the correct answer? How many of you reached to the correct answer in this one? So see, one of the rules that I have seen in that is that they check your ability to find the subject plus verb plus something something. I hope you all are aware of what subject plus verb means. Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so subject plus verb. Now, what has happened here is that they have given you parallelism here. So omission is possible when we are repeating the same things. Italy is famous for its composers and musicians, France for its, and Poland for its Are you getting me? Right. Italy is famous for its composers and musicians. Now omission. Poland for its mathematicians and logicians. So we do not repeat, we do not need to repeat this, right? But do we need comma? Let me know.
Yes.
Hmm? Do we need comma?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why not this one? Hmm? That is the main question, right? Why not this one? Anyone who can answer? Lavanya, Anshuk? I think you left this question, right? Hello, everyone. Punctuation is difficult. I understand that. Okay, do not worry if you left this. But I'm trying to find an answer. Why comma after France? Why not second one? Everything else is just rubbish.
Because there is no word after France.
Okay. Poland for its mathematician. I have not found the answer. Okay, I have not found the answer. I have to think. Italy is famous for its composers and musicians. France for its France for its. See, the meaning here would change. Okay. Now, let us see what this means. Okay, Italy is famous for its composers and musicians. Now, what do? We tend to superimpose this sentence's meaning on these. But if we look at these sentences as standalone, what would we see? France for its chef and philosophers. Is it making sense? Hmm?
No, sir.
Okay, it means that France for its chef and philosophers. Okay, what can it do? Can it do something for them? But when we put a comma, we understand that we are talking about France, and this part we are talking about that, okay, this is to come after is famous for. Done? Okay, not a clear rule, but okay, this is a rule. Shall we move ahead? Hello. Okay, you might have left
Yes,
it, I
sir.
know that. Now this was also difficult. Oil painting did to appearance what capital did to social. Now let us try to eliminate something on the basis of the first gap. Reality, relations, construction. Construction is a really great word used after social. Social relation, reality, okay, reality, justice, setup. It reduced everything to dash of objects. Everything became dash because everything became commodity. Now I think they would talk about the value of these things because commodity has been used here. How many of you could think that? Let me know. Everyone? Hello, guys. How many of you could think that? I hope you know that commodity is uh, everything became dash. Materiality. See, materiality and commodity. This is related to what? Capitalism. Done. Did you notice
Yes,
this?
sir.
Capital. Okay, so everything would be in value. So setup might be right. Justice. Are they talking about justice?
No, sir.
No, they are not talking about justice. Justice gone. Okay, construction. Yes, construction might be there. Relations might be there. Reality might be there. Setup might be there. Now let us move to the next one. It reduces everything to the dash of objects. Okay, level of objects might be possible. No, level, minuteness of object. I do not know why they would talk about minuteness of objects. right? Are objects minute? Do you understand the word minute? Angshuk, Mansi? Everyone, let me know, please. Do you
Yes,
understand the
sir.
meaning of minute?
इ-
It
सर
means
इन
small.
हिंदी we say ना बारीक चीजें.
Yes. So it is gone. I hope you are with me. Okay. Understanding of objects. Are we talking about understanding? What would we mean by the word understanding? Hello.
Sir, understanding the object, मतलब.
Understanding of objects, right? Understanding of a subject,
Yes, sir.
right? What does this mean? See, if you do not know the clear meaning of any word, you would use it in a sentence, right? So we have understanding of a subject. I have a great understanding of mathematics. What does that mean?
So that I understand maths and I am good at
Gone,
it. Yes, sir.
right? Useless is also wrong. Commodity is not useless. Might
Yes
be
sir.
possible, but
Yes, sir.
understanding is 100% wrong. Right? Useless might be possible, but understanding is 100% wrong. Now, relations, equality, exchangeable, right? Oil painting did appearance. What capital did to social relations might be possible. It reduced everything to the equality of objects. Equality, I do not think so. Everything became dash exchangeable because everything became a commodity, good, measured. All reality was mechanically measured by its mentality. Everything except equality is correct. Okay, reality, let us see. Reality is possible. Randomness. Did we talk about randomness?
No, sir.
What would randomness mean here? Randomness is utterly disgusting, right? The only word that, the only option that we removed because of the second word was this, right? Okay, let us see
Yes,
this.
sir.
Relations, equality, understanding or equality. We have to make sense out of it. It reduces everything to the equality of objects. What are we doing? Everything turned to objects, I would say. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. An understanding of objects according to our use in the sentence means that we have great understanding of it. Done? Hello? If you are
Yes,
aware
sir.
of the use of the word understanding, I would not go with the word understanding. Right? Okay. I do not know where my phone is. So I hope relations option is right. Hello, Lavanya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Mansi is typing. Okay. So I hope you got the way of using a word in a sentence to understand its meaning. Everyone, Angshuk. So how
Yes
many
sir.
marks have we reached? How many marks have we reached? 2, 3, 3 minus 0.25. How much is that?
2.75.
2.75. Okay. Let us move ahead. Took really great time. Okay. Now this one. Let me take my mobile. Just a minute. Give me a minute. Okay. Okay. So what would you do in this question? Can anyone tell me the mode of operation in this question? The method of execution?
Elimination.
First, see the sentences which you are 100% sure about, then use options, right? Let us see. The exam will begin from on January 8th. Is it correct? Is it
No.
correct? I do not know. Right? I do not know. Right? I do not know. So what would you do? We would move to the next one. According to me, this sentence is correct. Okay, according to me, this sentence is correct. So, which one do we need to choose? Correct sentences, right? One is there in two of the options. Okay, we would see whether it is correct with the options or not. 2, 5, 3, 4. While entering into the college building, he saw the statue of Mahatma Gandhi. That is 100% correct. How many of you think that is correct?
Sir, entering into the college building,
Hmm.
ये
Entering
गलत
into.
नहीं होगा?
Into the college building. Nice point. Okay, I might have not taken this correctly. Okay, fifth one. Amitabh Bachchan is married to. How many of you know that it is married to, not married with?
Yes, sir.
Fifth one is 100% wrong. I know that. Now, fifth one is gone, fifth one is gone, fifth one is gone, and hence 2 is also gone. Done. See, I too make mistakes. But is my formula working? Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
I hope each one of you could do this. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are left with 3, 4, 6, and 1, 3, 4. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
3, 4 is everywhere. 6 and 1. Let us see. 6 and 1. I have been working on this project for 3 weeks. Okay. So they are checking what here? For or since. Do you know the use of forensics? Let me know.
No, sir.
For and since, when it is used?
सर अभी टाइम की बात कर रहे थे कि उस टाइम से अभी
Yes. For and since, when it is used? When is it used?
So we use for when we have to like
When we
when
talk about span, we talk about
operation
for.
about
And also this is present perfect. Right? So this is 100% correct. Done? I hope I'm right. Okay. Those who have a bit of what here? A bit of confusion here can look at the present perfect tense construction. Am I right? Let me know. Lavanya?
yes, sir.
Okay. So since I have seen this, right? So I would be able to do this. From is correct usage. Okay. It is not wrong, but we do not use it every day. Oh, sorry. Yeah. From, begin, at. Okay. This is an idiomatic error. This is an idiomatic error. Begin at. Right. Okay. Begin at. Done. We cannot use from with begin. Right. We will use at with begin. Done. But we could have done sixth. Everyone knows this. Right. If you have read grammar in school, you would know the sixth one. So which one is the correct one? 3, 4, 6. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This was an easy one. How much have we reached? Okay. Cut your marks from this if you couldn't attempt this. How much have we reached? 1,
Sir,
2, 3, 4, minus 2, 5. 3.75. I think so.
yes, sir.
No. 6 question we have done. 1 left. 4 question done. 3.75 done. Now this one, incorrect sentence. Which of the following are incorrect sentences? Okay, let us see. He is good. I have used good. What did I say in the last paper? Good at or good in?
Good at.
Good at. Why? Because we are talking about a skill. Done. Is good incorrect? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
When do we use good in? Let me know. When we talk about an idiomatic construction, for example, when it is used, right? Okay, skill or subject takes these one, and good in takes a crisis in the last movie in high pressure situations, right? So you have understood this. Done? Hello? Right. So
Yes,
this
sir.
would be good at incorrect sentence. We found one of the incorrect sentence. Right. Fifth one. So these options are gone. I hope you could understand this. From our last class, we had taken some lesson that at is used in these situations. Did we use the same thing? Hello, Lavanya. Do you remember Anshuk? Is
Yes, sir.
Anshuk in the class?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
So at or in wala dekha tha na last बारी.
जी
I
sir.
hope you could do this correctly. Do you remember? The government is committed to provide people with food. Doesn't it look bad? Now let us see this first one. The boss accused her employee, okay, for stealing information. Accused for. Is accused for right? Let me know.
No,
Sir,
sir.
accused of होना चाहिए ना?
Accused of, sir.
Okay, so we find this 100% wrong. Okay, I'm not so sure about with, but I find first 100% wrong, so I would go with 1 and 5. Done. We tried and we succeeded. Great. From the past lessons that we know.
Yes, sir.
So we have done 7 till now. Okay, and left to 1 wrong. 5 minus 0.25, 4.75. In the future, hydrogen may form a significant part of our energy systems. Today, it is mostly used in oil refineries and fertilizers, but the future could power cars, heat our homes, fuel industry. Okay, McKinsey study suggested that in less than 25 years, could account for 18% global energy consumption and reduce carbon emissions from current level by some 6 gigatons. Getting me? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Now, which
Yes,
of
sir.
the most logically complete the above excerpt? Complete. Now, what do we do in the last sentence? Do you know the rules, everyone? Which rules do we follow when we are looking at the last sentence? Let me know, everyone. Yes.
Sir, I don't know this.
अरे
लास्ट सेंटेंस में क्या
सब
करते हैं
कुछ
वो
क्लास में
नहीं
बताया
पता.
हुआ है भाई, सब भूल जाओगे. लास्ट सेंटेंस वाला एक्सरसाइज भी दिया हुआ है हमने.
कंक्लूजन जैसा कुछ.
Yeah, someone answered something.
कंक्लूजन जैसा कुछ.
Just a second, okay. Someone is willing to join. Okay. Shall we move ahead? Everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us see. For choosing the last sentence, it should be related to this one, continuation. It cannot add any new information, and it should in some ways either add some example of this or continue this point, or should rephrase the whole paragraph. Done. Till
Yes,
now
sir.
he was saying that hydrogen may form a significant part of our energy, right? So he might say something like, okay, hydrogen will be hydrogen may come to your home. Done. Hello, give any example like this one, right? Okay, further clarifying its revenue. Done. So let us find one sentence like this. I would give you the chance to do this if you have not done this, right? Choose one sentence. We have seen this now.
So first one.
First one looks
फर्स्ट
good.
वन ही है.
Why?
यस सर.
Why not
सो वो
any?
कंटिन्यूएशन में है और उसी चीज को आगे वो कंटिन्यू कर रहा है जिस
Everyone
पॉइंट की
else,
बात
is
हुई
he
है
right?
लास्ट.
Is he right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Angshu, can you see this? Mansi,
Yes, sir. It
is
is
that the
visible,
only
sir.
sentence that fulfills our rules? So our rules worked. Done. Our rules worked. If you would remember this rule, you would do this sentence correctly always. First one, done correct. 8, we did 6, 6 minus 2, 5, 5.75. दिखाई दे रहा है वत्सल रूल्स फॉलो करने का कंक्लूजन?
यस सर.
That is what we are doing, right? More people signed up
यस सर.
for Harvard's online course in a year. For example, I have not read this. Okay, I am doing this with you. Okay, we would do till 11 today and rest of the paper tomorrow. Now, more people signed up for Harvard's online courses in a year, for example, than have attended the university in 377 years of existence. In the same spirit, there are more unique visits each month, okay, to the WebMD network, a collection of health websites, than all doctors working in the United States. Same type of example. In the legal world, 3 times, okay, whatever, okay, I mean, online centers did good. On its 6th birthday, had more unique monthly visitors than the website of the New York Times, which had almost 164 years of age. Are you seeing some pattern here?
यस सर.
Okay. In 2014, the US tax authorities received electronic tax returns from 48 million people who had used online tax preparation software rather than tax professional to help them. So online is winning in front of online, right? This one
Yes, sir.
stands out. We have to keep this into perspective, right? In 2014, UX tax authorities, okay, electronic tax, the architectural firm Gramzio, okay, used a group of autonomous to assemble a structure of 1,500 wings. The consulting firm Accenture has 1,750 staff, while Deloitte found and audit practices 170 now has over 200,000 at its own full-scale corporate university set in, okay, whatever. Let us see, 750 hospital nurses on its staff. The consulting firm. Why would consulting firm have this? Why Deloitte founded? Are you finding any pattern in this one? Anyone who can answer? The author of is trying to conclude something by citing different piece of evidence. What the author is trying to prove? How old firms are dying? Might be able to. Firms. We are not talking about firms. Are we talking about firms? Let me know.
No, sir.
Okay.
We are not talking about that old firms are dying, but we are talking that they are changing. Right? Things
Yes,
are
sir.
changing. How new organizational forms are emerging. That is what I would go with. Organizational forms. Done?
Yes, sir.
Takes this into consideration also and this into consideration also. Okay. How automation is taking away jobs? Did we talk that it is taking away jobs in every sentence? No.
No, sir.
How professionals are getting replaced by technology? No.
No, sir.
We have added what old firms can do to survive. This seems like a good answer. But does it comply with each and every sentence?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Second one
No.
seems more
So second
accurate.
one is the only option that we would go with. This is also correct. Done. Easy question. How many have we answered? 7 answered and 6.75 done. Now, the leave policy is bound to be unpopular either with management or among workers. Okay. If the leave policy is unpopular with the management, it should be modified. We should adopt a new policy if it is unpopular with workers. Done. So modification with management and new policy with workers. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, the first sentence is that it's bound to be unpopular either with the management or among workers. So would it be finalized anytime? Let me know. No, it wouldn't be finalized. It is a loop. Are you seeing this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which of the following must also be true? Let us see. We should attempt to popularize the leave policy among either management or workers. Popularize means that more people would be there. Okay. We should modify the leave policy only if this will not reduce its popularity among workers. Done. I would try to do the second one. Okay, I would try to do. Let us go through all the options first. Just a second. Okay, we should modify the leave policy if modification will not reduce its popularity with the management. I would use only if. Right, I would use only if, because we do not have any other option than this. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Let me know. Do you understand why I have used only if and what is the difference between if and only if?
सर ये डिफरेंस नहीं समझ आया एक बार.
See, if you come to my house, I will go to Disneyland. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, he says that if you go, so won't he go to Disneyland on any other day? No.
Sir, he can go.
He can go, right? But if I say that only if you come, I would go to Disneyland. What does this mean?
सर अगर वो आएगा तो ही आप जाओगे तो.
Yes. Otherwise, on any instance, I would not go.
Okay.
Are you seeing the construction here?
Yes, sir.
Now, which one would we go with?
Sir, second one.
Done. Fourth and fifth. Does it make sense? Anyone who can help me with this? Hello. Okay, till now,
Sir,
I
in
would go with the second one.
four.
If the leave policy is popular among workers, then we should adopt a new policy. If the leave policy is popular among workers, we should adopt a new. If it is unpopular with the workers, then we should adopt a new policy. If the leave policy is popular among workers, then we should adopt a new policy. Doesn't make sense. If the leave policy is popular with management, then we should adopt a new policy. The leave policy is popular with management, then we should adopt a new policy. Okay. One thing that is really doing damage to us is that this sentence, that it is bound to be unpopular either with the management or among workers. Right? Bound to be means that it would be unpopular with one. Let us see this. If the leave policy is unpopular with the management, it should be modified. Done. So first way, if it is unpopular with workers, we would adopt a new policy. Done. And it is bound to be unpopular either with worker or management? Let us see. Must also be true. We should modify the leave policy only if this will not reduce its popularity among workers. Okay, let us say that I mean, if the policy is reduced, if it is popularity reduced among workers, then it means that it would not be acceptable to management. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Then we should modify the leave policy only if this will not reduce. I cannot understand this question. Okay, let's move ahead. Could anyone understand this question? Hello.
It is fifth.
Fifth?
हाँ, क्योंकि वहां पे लिखा है कि एक तो मैनेजमेंट में पॉपुलर होगा या फिर वर्कर्स में पॉपुलर होगा। तो फिफ्थ में लिखा है कि if the leave policy is popular with management, it means it is unpopular with.
Okay, I was getting confused. And you are right. You are right. Okay. Is fifth one the right answer? Hello. Everyone, could you reach to the fifth one? Is
Yes,
fifth one
sir.
the right answer? If the leave policy is popular among workers, then we should adopt a new policy. Is fifth one the right answer? Let me know. It seems like one.
Yes, sir.
Easy one. I got confused. Now let us move ahead. As a generation, we are rethinking what we are to others, right? As a generation, we are rethinking what we are to others. Could you understand the meaning of this sentence? Hello? Could you understand the meaning of the sentence?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Okay. Our technological prowess has become a wireless lifeline to others. Great. Some of us apply ourselves to innovation. Okay, great. Our families look to us to know how to use technology. Okay. Some of us set up FaceTime for those denied face-to-face time. Great. We should take them, it will be okay. We show them it will be okay. Okay, that digital relationships are real relationships, though in fact we are not always sure. Okay, we show them it will be okay that digital relationship are real relationship. Okay, so what is the meaning of this sentence? Anyone who could understand? Hello. Everyone, let me know. And everyone, could you understand the meaning of this sentence, or shall I explain it to you?
I think I got it, but we show them it will be organized. Yes, sir, I think I got it.
What is the meaning?
So that we show them that the online relationships are true, but we are not sure that they are.
Great.
There's a confusion.
Okay. Done. So which option would be the right one?
Sir, number 4.
Technology uses has changed social relation for this generation. I would say this might be the right answer. Okay. Everyone?
Yes, sir. Fourth
Any
one,
doubts
I
here?
think is no, sir.
Hello? Any doubts here? Not fifth one, fourth one.
Yes, sir. Fourth one.
Done. So how many questions did we get right? Okay, I'm not counting this for myself. Type your marks till now. Type your marks till now. 4, Lavanya. Okay. Did you do this? Did you get this while attempting the paper or right now? अभी तुम्हें कितना लगता है कितना हो जाता? Lavanya, how many could you have got correct till now?
Yes, sir. So this I have got correct while attempting also.
You have got 4. Others, Anshuk and Mansi, how much did you get till now? Mansi has got 6. Good. Anshuk has got 6. Good. Okay. So 6 marks were possible, I think so, if you knew the daily uses grammar. Okay. You could have done that, right? And this was good, right? Certain questions were easier. We could have scored 6 marks easily, right? Should have left the first question, but I was impulsive in first question. Okay, so we could have done 7 also, but 6 is really good till now. Among 12, 6 is really good. How much do we need? How much more do we need?
So 6 to 7 more.
No, to clear the cutoff, we need 4,
Sir,
4.5 more.
yes, sir.
Okay, so we would have to do around 5 to 6 more. Okay, done. Everyone understood? I
Yes,
hope
sir.
the discussion was fruitful, right? We would do the next set tomorrow. Okay, this was 23. We would do 24, 25. ठीक है 25 तक तो पहुंच ही जाएंगे आई थिंक सो राइट हाउ इज डीएम गोइंग
सर
हाउ इज डीएम गोइंग
अच्छी ही जा रही है सर अभी तक.